To stay safe and get the most out of your road bike, it's vital you find the right size bike for you. First of all, check out our online size guide here. All you need to know is your height, and we will give you an estimate of the frame size that's right for you. Remember, these measurements are gender specific, as women's bikes are designed to be more compact to fit the female body geometry. Feel free to pause the video for a closer look. After this, establish what kind of ride or experience you're after from your road bike. If you're planning longer, more relaxing rides, you may want to adjust your bike so you're in a more upright position. Adjust your saddle to a 30-degree angle between your hip, knee and ankle like so. This will be more comfortable over a longer ride. If you want quick bursts of speed, on the other hand, angle your seat for a more aggressive riding stance, allowing you maximum power through quick sprints. If you'd like to see our full range of road bikes and learn about the great maintenance services available at Halfords, head over to our website. If you'd like a hand sizing your bike, pop into your local Halfords store and chat to a member of the team who will be happy to help.